So, all my kings out there, you all must understand this one simple fact that everyone has their own choice and no one can change it. No one can change anybody's choice. You can only work on yourself to make yourself to be good and attractive enough to be liked by more and more people. The more confident and attractive personality you build, the more and better people you will attract. Acting, being nice and compromising with your respect for anything tempting makes you look as an inconfident man. It shows you are a weak man. It shows you have no backbone. If you are willing to walk away and give up what's tempting for your own respect is what makes you attractive. It is what shows your strength. Never bow down, never compromise, stand for yourself, stand for your right, be frank and very straightforward about what you want, never shy away from speaking out. Women continuously should test you to check how weak or strong you are. The easily she catches you and manipulates you, the lesser chance you stand to be with her. She wants to be with a man, somebody who is hard to get, somebody who is a challenge, somebody who is hard to bend. Everybody wants more for less. It is a basic human instinct, and this is what women want. This is what they try to get even from you. If you become her friend very easily and start giving her your time, attention and validation without making her invest in you, you have already lost the game. This is exactly what she wanted and you have failed her test. Be in your masculine frame and focus more and more on yourself, on your improvement and betterment only. Never get distracted by any baits she throws to lure you. And then see her reaction. Even she knows sex is last weapon in her assault. Hence either she will give up and give in to your frame, or she will give up trying to manipulate you. And in either case you have won the game. Either you get what you want, or you have just saved yourself from someone who could have wasted your hell lot of time. In either case you have won the situation and saved yourself from getting used by someone. Guys, sex is an act which we humans do with our senses, something which we decide to do with our brain. It does not happen by chance or by mistake or in the flow of emotions. If a woman isn't doing it with you, don't think it will happen someday in the flow of emotions. No, it is not like this. If it is not happening, it means she does not want to do it with you. And the guy she is doing it with, she has decided to do it with that guy. Always remember, women never give sex as a reward. She always gives sex to get the man she wants, and this is why all the boys who are approaching women with the approach of pleasing her and making her feel special to make her give her love to them mostly fail. However, the guys who acts as prize, who acts as challenge, who doesn't get easily distracted from their path and purpose by her looks, by her smile, by her beauty, develops a little frustration in her and thus an attraction in her. When you make her realize through your actions and demeanor that you are a confident, charming and strong guy who is not an easy catch, you will be able to develop an attraction in her, and she will ultimately give in to your frame. And even if she doesn't, don't mind, because you have already passed the test. You have maintained your dignity, you have earned her respect. She may not give you love or sex for many other reasons, but she knows you are a confident, respectful guy whom she now loves from inside. If you go with movie TV logic, you will lose both the chance to be with her and your respect also. But if you go with this natural approach, the way it should be, you will earn her respect and stand apart from all the other blue pill guys who are learning from fake narratives they are grasping from mainstream media. Those guys don't only lose the woman but their respect also. Women never hold respect for such men and never mind using such men. More than earning women's love, it's always more about maintaining your dignity and earning her respect by being a man of high value. The tougher you are to get and to make to bow down, the more chance you stand to get love from her. However, if you don't hold any value, don't respect yourself, afraid of speaking up for yourself, and the easier the catch you are, more you will be used by her. And hence, more than focusing on women, focus on being a man of high value. Instead of chasing women, chase growth and progress in life. Learn to respect yourself and never compromise with your dignity, not for anything. Instead of dreaming about sex, dream about achieving goals and building a not only successful but an interesting life for yourself.